friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix AirTag not working issue. So just in case you are unable to connect your iPhone or iPad to AirTag, or you are not able to use precision finding feature, then these tips and tricks can prove to be pretty helpful. That said, let's cut the chase. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. If you haven't done it, then go to Settings app, then tap on your profile and choose Password and Security. Then tap Turn on two-factor authentication and then follow the instructions to enable it. Ensure that you have enabled Find My on your device. If you haven't done it as yet, then go to Settings app and then tap on your profile. After that, tap on Find My. Then you have to turn on the toggle right next to Find My iPhone, iPad or iPodTouch. Next up, I would recommend you to turn off on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or cellular connection. The reason why I tell you to do it is because they play a vital role in helping AirTag work effectively. Simply open Settings app on your device, then turn off on the toggles for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and cellular. If the problem continues, then I would suggest you to turn off on location services as well. To get it done, launch Settings app on your device and then choose Privacy. After that, tap on Location Services and then turn off the toggle for it. Now restart your device and then go back to the same setting and then turn on the toggle right next to Location Services. If you want to use precision finding feature and see the most accurate location for your AirTag, make sure to turn on location access for Find My app. To get it done, launch Settings app and choose Privacy. After that, tap on Location Services. Then scroll down and tap Find My. Then check while using the app or widgets. Then turn on Precise Location. Do know that if you have managed Apple ID, you can set up AirTag. For those unfamiliar, your educational organization can create managed Apple IDs for instructors and students to use for educational purposes. Managed Apple IDs are unique to your organization and separate from Apple IDs that you can create for yourself. So make sure your device is not using managed Apple ID. If you are still unable to use AirTag, then I would recommend you to replace the battery. To get it done, simply press on the stainless steel back of your AirTag with two fingers. While pressing down, rotate counterclockwise until the cover stops rotating. Now, pull apart the two halves and then remove the old battery. After that, replace it with the new one. Next up, I would suggest you to factory reset your Apple AirTag. The reason why I recommend you to do it is because it has worked for a large number of users, so I hope it clicks for you as well. To get it done, simply navigate to the Items tab in the Find My app and select the AirTag that you want to remove. After that, swipe up to access the AirTag settings and tap on the Remove Item option. Then confirm that you want to remove the AirTag from your account in the pop-up window. Once you have successfully factory reset your AirTag, connect it with your device again. To get it done, simply hold your AirTag near your iPhone, iPad or iPodTouch, then tap Connect. If you have multiple AirTags and see more than one AirTag detected, make sure that only one AirTag is near your device at one time. If none of the tricks has worked for you in fixing the AirTag, then it's time to update the software. I guess the problem could be due to a software bug, and in this case, the best way to get rid of the problem is to update the software. To get it done, simply launch Settings app on your device and then choose General. After that, tap on Software Update and then download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS on your device. That's pretty much it. Hopefully, AirTag will start working with you after you have updated the software. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.